Makeup was always a love of mine because it combines two of my favorite things, art and therapy. You have this freedom to express yourself, to show your emotions, who you truly are, and you just swipe that brush, you play with the colors, with the textures, and every time I feel down, I go back to makeup because it just makes me feel good and I forget about everything. And this is kind of what we wanted from this collection. We wanted you to feel in your own little bubble. It's like a capsule where you can actually play with all these products and be who you want to be. This is our little retro paradise that we wanted you to feel as well. Juicy, glowy skin in a capsule of dreams. So now I present to you Retro Paradise! So I've been keeping a little secret from you guys. Well, I mean, if you follow me on my Instagram, you probably know already about this, but I created a collection with E.L.F. I'm so excited right now that I don't even know with what to start, but I think, okay, I will tell you like a little background story, how this baby was created and all that. So back in November 2019, I went to the Bahamas with E.L.F for their BeautyScape contest, and the idea of the contest is that there were like 25, I believe, influencers, content creators, and we were divided in 5 groups. We had a few days in which we met with different inspiring people. They were talking about, you know, the beauty industry, how to create a business, how to create a collection, about, you know, makeup in general. It was definitely a learning experience for us. And long story short, my team won the BeautyScape 2019, and in my team I had some amazing girls, some amazing content creators. So I have Valeria, Miss Valeria, I have Alicia, I have Alisa, and also Jessa. Honestly, these girls, we all like worked together as a team, and it was so easy, you know, to just manage everything in this collection. By the end of BeautyScape, I gained some new friends, which is always amazing, and I'm super grateful for this experience. You know, I'm super grateful that I also had a chance to meet the E.L.F team. They were such like a nice company, and I always wanted to create my, you know, collection with a brand, or just to contribute to that. And doing this with E.L.F is awesome because I love this brand, and I love that, you know, it's more like a choicer brand. It's very affordable for everyone. I love their message that they stand for: every eye, lips and face, just everything. So yeah, I'm super happy. Honestly, this collection is perfect. It's everything I want from like a summer collection, and I already had so many ideas in my mind previously because I always wanted to collaborate with a brand to create something, so it was super easy to put everything, you know, on paper. So we came up with the name Retro Paradise for this collection, and I always wanted to have the name retro in something. I love retro, and I love retro vibes, and I love everything about that. So we thought that Retro Paradise is just perfect, spot on for this collection. This collection is not just makeup, it's, I don't know, I wanted you kind of to feel that nostalgia for, I don't know, a summer romance from the past, or a summer holiday, or maybe a trip, or just remembering having some memories, you know, from the past, where you were happy and enjoying yourself. And I don't know, it's more than just makeup, of course, for me, because, you know, I created this, but it's more than just a simple collection. I wanted you to feel something. We were also supposed to shoot a campaign for this collection in March, but because of the virus and everything, we could not go to that specific location. So yeah, unfortunately, we will not have lots of, you know, photo shoots, images and stuff like that, but still, I I hope that you will really love this. Love this, not like it, but love this, because it's that good, and I really believe in all these products. I really love all these products. So yeah, if you would try any of these, please let me know how you like them. Maybe tag me. I would love to see your stories, posts, videos, or just message me. I would love to hear that. So now let's move on to the products. In the PR kit, the content creators will also find something like this, Passport to Paradise, more information about, you know, the collection, the products, and also meet the creators. And of course, it's basically us there, like talking and talking about the collection and about makeup. So yeah, I'm not sure if a lot of people will read this, a lot of influencers, so probably they will think it's just like an e.l.f collection, but at least you guys know. At least you guys know. So the palette, we wanted the writing to be holographic, so you can see it in here. It's so stunning. And actually the holographic theme will be, you will see it throughout the collection, in each category of products, because we really wanted this holographic moment to tie the collection together. And honestly, this palette is like everything I need from a palette. So I wanted to have these duochrome shades, Paraiso and Disco. They're like perfect. Sip Sip, Fortuna, Sea Salt, which is that holographic shade, Rise and Shine. I guess I should say Rise and Shine. And then we have all these matte shades. I love Tropicana because I don't know, I have a moment right now with these pastel-y lilac-y shades. So you have neutrals, you have some fun colors, you have everything that you need in just one palette. And these shimmery shades are super creamy and super opaque. Just buttery. I love this texture, and I wanted this texture in this palette. This collection we also have two highlighters. Now these are a bit more fun. These are not like your standard just like shimmery or I don't know, dewy kind of highlighters. These are dewy and have like a creamy texture, but with lots of like shine through them, lots of like shimmery particles, glittery particles, but they're again quite fine. I think this will be just like a fun product to play with, and if you like this kind of highlighters, of course you will use them, you know, on the top of your cheeks. I love to use these on the body as well. And then we have the Glow Up body oil. Oh my god, I really wanted this product in this collection. It's perfect, honestly, perfect. And we have again two shades. So we have the shade Sunkissed, which is a lighter shade, so it will work great for a lighter skin tones. Although, even if you're like a deeper skin tone, you can definitely apply this. It's quite, it's not super pigmented, just gives you a nice shine. And then we have the shade Golden Hour. Of course, like a deeper bronzy shade, and all this shimmer is like, oh my god, this is like juicy, dewy skin with lots of shimmer, gold reflex in a bottle. By the way, the scent in the entire collection will be a more like a tropical fruity scent, so just ties everything together nicely. It smells so good, you'll love it 100%. We have also wanted to have a brush for these, so this is how it looks like. It's kind of super dense. Something that we also wanted to include in the collection was a lip pencil kit, and the lip pencil kit was actually from what we started the collection, because we saw an image in the Bahamas. So it was a gorgeous girl with her lips painted kind of in different shades of nude. So it was something a bit more like a lighter nude, and then like a medium, and a more like a deeper one. Texture that I wanted for these, I wanted them to have a waxy texture but still be quite creamy, so that you can use it all over the lips and not feel really dry. This is what I have on my lips right now. I have the lightest nude, and it's perfect, of course. And you can use these even on your face. I also use this one as an eyeliner today. You can see in here. It has that perfect waxy creamy texture that kind of sets but still remains super flexible. Speaking about brushes, we will also have a little collection of brushes, and these again have the same color scheme, and they have holographic, like an oil slick kind of design on the handles. Again, just looks awesome. Now moving on, we will have 4 lip glosses. One which is kind of the special lip gloss of the collection, because we really wanted to have this hashtag for the collection, a moment, because you know we are having a moment with this collection. And this is it. It's like a shimmery, juicy, glossy, just like a dream in a bottle. Honestly, it's so stunning and so multi-dimensional. All these shimmery particles, you have a bit of pink, a bit of yellow, and the clear gloss. The collection, you will also find 3 more like a very sheer lip glosses. They do have like a bit of color to them, and you see this one which is blue, but because it's sheer, it will make your lips basically a bit more cool toned, and will give you that a bit of a milky kind of texture, but will not create any kind of weird lines or something like this. It's just like a sheer pop of something. So we have this one which is a bit more cool tone, like a cool tone pink, and then this one which is a bit more like a peachy pink. Now next we have the primer glow oil. I'm so excited about this baby because if you watch my videos, you know that I'm obsessed with face oil. I love using a face oil before my foundation, concealer, and this is more like a super lightweight, fast absorbing face oil, and it's called the primer glow oil because yes, it primes the skin, it makes it super smooth, super nice. Also at the end of the collection you will find 3 glitter eyeshadow shades. So we have the 24 karat gold, we have Flirty Birdie, and also we have Disco Queen. This was the little reveal and show and tell and stuff like that. I really hope that you will like this collection, and if you do, let me know. I will definitely have some like small giveaways in my future videos where I show you the products and how they work, because I filmed lots of tutorials already, of course, and I think I will have like small giveaways in each video for those of you who cannot get the collection. But yeah, that was it. Let me know if you like it, let me know if you like the vibe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!